Hey guys, welcome to second part of how to create a website setup. If you have not watched the first part where we have installed our website and set up the website, I would recommend you to go and watch that video first and then come and watch this video. I will link that video somewhere on the screen. You can click on that and watch that video first, then come and watch this second part of website setup. So in the last video we have created this website. Let's just look at quickly. Yeah, so this was the website which we have created in the first part. Right now it's just a very basic template here. We will make it look a little bit much better. That's what we are going to do today. So to log into our website, again, as I mentioned in the first part, how do you log in? You just type your domain name /wp hyphen admin, and that will take you to the login screen. Quickly put your username and password here so that you can log into the website. You can also go to your SiteGround web hosting. This is your hosting. You can click on site tools here, and if you it'll take you to your website manager tool screen. And if you go and click on WordPress, and if you go to install and manage, it'll give you this link here. So if you click on this login to admin panel, it will also directly take you to the admin panel, and basically you don't need to enter your login ID and password here. You can directly just you know uh, log into the website quickly. But it's better you remember your login ID and password and enter your password and login ID here, and then log into the website. Now quickly, before I do and help you in basic settings here, I quickly want you to go come back to this screen, and I just wanted to suggest you a few changes here. So if you look at our website right now, there is a not secure option, which means basically it is just a HTTP website. It is not HTTPS. That's nothing but added a if you add a SSL certificate, secured socket layer certificate, your websites will not have this not secure option. So for that, you just need to go to security, and you go to SSL manager, and then you type your domain name, you select the SSL, go with let's encrypt SSL, that's a free SSL, and click on get that as SSL. Click on get it. Once it is active, you will not be seeing this not secured here. Your website will become HTTPS. Second option is that you go and speed. Let me check speed. Yeah, so when you come to speed, you will find Cloudflare here. Cloudflare is a CDN service, content delivery network service, which also gives you an option to provide you the SSL certificates for free. And it's one of the wonderful service. You can install this also. Just click on setup and go through the process of entering email, password, creating an account on Cloudflare, and that will also help you to install SSL certificate on your website. Once your website is quickly installed and looks ready, then let's come to the dashboard of your website. So whatever changes you're going to make here, you can just directly see all those changes onto into the front of your website. So quickly, let's look at the first thing I want you to do is go to settings, and then go to journal, obviously, and then change. Right now it says my WordPress. That's a site title. Oh, that's not a very SEO friendly title also. So I want you to put your website title here. For example, my website name is Nikhil, training. So I will just put that Nikhil training. You can put whatever site title you want, and then tagline, it says just another WordPress website. So I'll just say uh, uh, a digital marketing blog, or whatever blog you are creating. you can just put that tagline, whatever you want, but just have that option included here. Then whatever, if you want to change your email ID, you can change that, and all you can change all these things. If you don't want, let it be. We don't want to change all these things, just click on save changes here after that, and boom, done. So that's the first setting we want to change. Second setting we want to change is permalinks. So we come to permalinks, and by default your URLs, these URLs will be set to this nikhiltraining.online date and the sample post. We don't want usually the date in the in our URLs. So that's one of the setting which I quickly go and change to, and go either to post name, or you can go for a custom structure and select one of these also. So I usually go to post name, which is a very simple URL. That's it. So it'll be your domain dot online slash your post name. That's all. Nothing in between. No date, no time. That's another setting we want to change. After you've done that, click on save changes and done. Now next is we want to change is our theme. So it doesn't look that good of a theme here. It's a very basic theme which WordPress has initially given you. So you can go to appearances, and then you can go to themes, and you have few themes here, but these are again basic themes. So you can click on add new theme, or you can click here also add new, and then it'll give you a lot of bunch of themes here, from a lot of their free resources. These are all free themes. You can go and whatever you want, whichever you want, you can click on that and install that particular theme from here. Or you can just go to Google also and search for free WordPress blog themes, and it'll give you a bunch of links where you can get the free themes, and which once you download those themes, you can directly upload the themes from here, this option. For now, to not to make it very complex, I will just install one of the themes from here. So let's look at this one. Well, that's a very fashion related thing, I would say. So yeah, all these themes, or you can just go to popular, and if you search for blogs, just find out a theme which is related to blog. Which looks good also. You can go with this if you're trying to create a blog. This looks good. Yeah, it's like a newspaper theme, a newspaper blog. So you can go with that also. A lot of options it is giving you here, which was this, and I'll just click on install and activate. Once you install and activate, and then when you come to the website and refresh, it will look like this, right? So there's nothing right now on to the website. You definitely have to add a few the content on the website, then it will be visible. So for example, how do you do that? Since it's just a blog theme, we are going ahead with there are many free blog themes from here also. You can find out, as I said, and you can download those blog themes. Like Astra is one of the wonderful theme which I also like very much. And then we have these, we have these, we have these, lots and lots of themes. Lots, and this is also another wonderful one. So let me just find out this one as well. Quickly, let's click on add new again. Let's see if it is there. So you can just search for the theme as well. Yes, it's there. Let's click on install, and let's click this one activate. So this one we have installed. If I refresh here, it gives me this option. Now there's nothing on the website right now. Again, same thing which I said. Let's quickly add few things onto the website so that it looks a little bit better here. So another thing we want to do is we want to, so right now it just says Nikhil trainings, digital marketing blog. So it has picked up these things from, from our journal setting, which we have just entered for. But for example, if you want to add a logo here, how do you do that? So for logo, you can just click on customize, and here it'll give you this option. So if you go to web page design, front page content, header design, so if you go to header design, I think it'll give you site identity. So you have a logo option here, and right now it is showing you this. But if you want to display a logo, you will have to select a logo and then add the logo here. How do you create a logo? You can just go to some of the websites like Canva, where you can create free logos, or Wix logo maker. You can go there as well and quickly create a logo from here. Start now. You might have to sign up. Quickly put your website name, create a logo, put your website name. It'll give you a logo. Take a screenshot, download the screenshot, and then upload that logo here. I'll not get into that part right now. It'll take a lot of time for us to do that. For now, I'm just making you understand how do you change the logo, then how do you change the theme, the colors, and everything. That also can be changed from here. All these options. So you have a lot of options. Footer may, if you want to put the links, you can put those links also from here. Social links, let's say you want to put the Facebook, Instagram, all those links here. So like for example, let's say I want to put a let's say Instagram link. Let me search here Instagram, and I will need to put my Instagram URL here. So for now I'll just put let's say https colon instagram.com/Google. I'll just put that for now, add it, and I think it'll be added like this. So follow us on Instagram, and it has added in the last. If you see here in the last, so whenever person is going to click on this, it'll take him to the Instagram uh, you know uh, profile also, for your profile. Likewise, you can add multiple your YouTube URLs also, YouTube icon, Facebook icon, all those icons here. For now, let's leave that. I just told you how do you customize all these things from here. I wanted you to understand few other important things. Like for example, so if you are creating a blog, so how do you set up a blog? How do you post a blog? That's one very important thing. So you need to go to post, and you need to create your blog here. How do you create a blog? Click on add new quickly and put your blog. It'll ask you to give your title and put the body and everything. That is what you need to put here. So I add title, let's say my first blog. I'll just put that here, and then in the writing I'll just put this is my first blog for us to understand. Okay, for example, you want to add step 1, and you want to add that as a heading. So you just write that, and then you click on this option here and select heading, and make sure this heading is H2 Obviously by default it has taken H2, but if you want you can make it H3, H4, H5. There are 6 types of heading, H1 being the top one, which is my first blog, that's the title, and then H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, these headings here. So you can then again enter and then write something. So first step is this, second step is this. You can write whatever you want to write here. So for us, I don't want this to be a heading again, so I'll select that and I will make this a paragraph so that it looks like a paragraph. Okay, so you can put that, and then if you want you can also put them as a, well, let me just see here, not here, just a second. No text color inline, yeah. So you can put the image also, select the image, and whatever image you want to put. Right now let's download an image. You can go to Pixels, from where you can download free images, pixels.com, and oh, let's say nature. We want a nature image, and I'm just taking a random image for now. Let's free download. Got the image, download it, and come here, select the image from the downloads, and this is the image. Done. So here we have the image, add it, put the alt text, put the title, put the caption, description. Will come all these things later, but for now, if you do understand these things, you can keep all these things also. Select the image, and you can keep the text here also, or you can make it. I think I have written the text already, that's why it's giving me this option here. Let me delete that. Yeah, so if I write here, I can write from here, this is my first blog. Okay, so you can write a text alongside the images also. I think you do understand that. Now you can increase the size of this image as well. So width, let's say we want it to be 300, or we want it to be 500. Okay, and if you want it to be in the middle, then you select the alignment middle. Okay, and then if you are ready with this, all these, your blog, then you publish it. Publish, publish, done. Now let's go, or let's click on view post, and here it says my first blog. So if you go to home, but there is no image it is showing you. It is giving us the title, it is giving us the uh, you know uh, the paragraph here, but it is not giving us the option. So for that, I'll quickly go to the dashboard, open the post which I've created, click on edit, open it, and I will need to set the featured image. For now, I will be setting the same featured image which we have downloaded. Set the featured image, done. That is set. One other thing you want to do is you want to create categories. Now, for now, it is just uncategorized. I want to create a, you can create multiple categories. For example, if you're writing about SEO, you can create SEO as a category and tag. So for example, if your blog post is about SEO, you can tag that into SEO category. Let's say you are writing about social media marketing, so you can create a category social media marketing and tag your post there. For now, I will just create a blog as a category, and I don't want any parent category. Just click on add category, and I will unselect the uncategorized and then update. Done. I think if I go to the website now, refresh, now it has that image here, it has that particular title here. So if I click on the image, it opens the blog. It also opens, all the content which we have added. We have not added anything for now, so that's there. And now, but this blog, one thing, if you notice, this blog doesn't have any menu, home, contact, all those options are not there. That's because we need to create pages, different pages. So blogs you can add from post, pages you can add from here. So if you go to pages, there are just sample page and privacy policy page that's also not published. So let's publish, edit. You can make the changes here, whatever changes you want, and then publish this page. And let's go back. Let's create another page. I want a page called, let's say, reviews. Maybe I want a reviews page. So I'll put a reviews, I'll add the reviews here, publish the page, done. Okay, so let's go back now. Let's see if we have reviews here. We don't have anything here. That's because we have not set the menu for now. So how do you create a menu? Just let's see that appearance, menus. And for now, we don't have any menu created. Let's say, let's create a main menu. So primary menu, and let's click on create. And then let's add a few pages. So I will add, reviews here, obviously. And you can also add post into your, okay, it has added twice. I'm just removing one. You can also add post, any post you want to just directly link to the menu, that you can add. You can add custom links. I will add a custom link as home, and that home URL is going to be my main URL. So I'll copy this, paste that here, done. Add to the menu, so my home goes up, then reviews. Categories, so remember I've created a blog as a category, so I'll add that as a category into the menu, done. And I will select where do I want to show this menu, on top bar and in the footer also, and save. You can create different menu for footer also. You can create multiple menus from here. Let's see if it is visible now. Yeah, so it's visible here, but I don't want this here. I want it not in the top bar. I want it in the header, and we also want it in the mobile. So yeah, mobile also. So let's save. Let's see where it comes. Yeah, so it comes here. So I want it here. Yeah, that's how it looks. So home, if I click on home, takes me to the home. Review, we have not added any page right now, so there is nothing here. And blog, obviously it will take me to my blog category, where we just have only one blog. So for example, you create multiple categories, like SEO is one category, you add SEO here, tag all the posts you created to SEO to that SEO category, and whenever person clicks on SEO, he will be able to see all the SEO blogs. Likewise, you can create social media marketing as a category and multiple different categories. So that's how you create a very simple blog. There are many things now. WordPress is a very vast subject. There are a lot many things. You also have one more thing I forgot is plugin. You can add plugins, to your website. So plugins are nothing but added extra feature which you can add to your website. For example, let's say I want to add a contact page. So, you know, in a contact page, usually you do see fields, enter your name, and enter your first name, last name, and what do you want to contact for, all those things. So how do you do that? Let's say I'll create first a page, name it as contact, and publish that page. For now, done, published. uh, so it's not here for now. Let's just come back, and then I'll go to plugins, and I will add a plugin, a very simple plugin. You can go for WP forms also. I'll just, for now, I'll go for contact form 7. So that's the form I want. So contact form 7, install now, and activate. That's how you activate the plugin, same like themes. Once it is activated, you will see an option here, contact, and you will see a default form already created. If you click on edit, you'll see it has your name, your email, your subject, and your message, and then submit button, the basic things which we need. You can customize also. If you need number, you can add number, date, you can add date, all those things. For now we just need these things, so I'll just go back here and I'll copy this short code. Now, WordPress has this wonderful feature that wherever you paste the shortcode, it will show that particular contact form there. So we want this to be, let me just copy quickly. We want this to be pasted in our contact page. So I'll open the page and I will just paste it here. Done. Update. Done. Now, if you go to the website, refresh, you don't have a contact option here. That's why. That's because you have not added your contact page to the menu. So you'll again go to the menus, appearance, menus, and then go to contact. So here is a contact, add to the menu, and save the menu. Sorry, save the menu. Done. Now if you come and refresh, and you have a contact option here, click on contact. It gives you these fields: your name, email, subject, and your message, and then you submit. It'll give you the information here. So that's a very basic overview of WordPress website. You can again go and customize your website to whatever you want, and create a very wonderful looking website, select the wonderful themes and all that. So for this video, that's it for now. I will meet you in another module next time. Keep watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.